And with the arsenic being introduced slowly through food, the victim is often unaware of being poisoned at all.
He'd been complaining about his stomach since Christmas.
It would have to have been going on for some time. There were toxic levels in his stew, in his tea biscuits. Even his toothpaste was tainted.
How do you explain this, Mrs. Pratt?
He must have fell in there somehow on accident.
Yet your food was uncontaminated.
She killed Jerry, for God's sake.
I ate one of those cookies, you know.
Who's Jerry?
His dog. He used to feed him his leftovers.
Treat that dog better than me.
Best goddamn friend I had, I can tell you that much. You goddamn ignorant bitch. After all I did for you.
Calm down.
The hell I will. She's a fucking murderer.
Why did you do this?
Poison him. Because if I used a shotgun, I'd have had to clean the mess up myself. I had all I could take of his abuse.
Are you gonna arrest her or not, Sheriff?
No. He's not.
What?
Come with me. I certainly understand why you'd want to, but you can't go around poisoning people. Take this and go far away. Change your name and don't come back.
God bless you, sir. Bless you. And you be careful.
Okay, it's not worth giving yourself a fit.
You take this.
What the hell are you doing, Nucky?
Relax.
She tried to kill me, goddammit!